Each week, we uncover fascinating updates on SpaceX's Starship and other developments in the ongoing space race. And this week is no exception. From tantalizing details about Starship Flight 7 to groundbreaking new missions, the momentum in space innovation is undeniable. SpaceX is actively preparing for Starship Flight 7, with a tentative launch date set for January 11th, 2025. This target emerged from a NASA document filed with the FAA, which intriguingly mentions plans to image Ship 33 during its re-entry over the Indian Ocean. Imagine the visuals we could witness from this high-definition footage of the spacecraft enduring the peak heat of re-entry, showcasing both its resilience and engineering excellence. While the mission's details remain under wraps, we know that the upper stage won't complete a full orbit. However, there's still hope that SpaceX might perform an initial orbital insertion, followed by a controlled deorbit burn. Even a brief orbital flight would be a monumental achievement and mark another critical milestone in Starship's journey to becoming a fully operational spacecraft. The timing for Flight 7 also confirms there will be no more Starship launches in 2024. This pause allows SpaceX to focus on essential upgrades and repairs, including refinements to the launch towers, flame trenches, and ground systems. These improvements are critical to supporting the growing demands of Starship's ambitious flight schedule in the years ahead. Speaking of Flight 6, debris from Ship 31 has been recovered off the Australian coast. Heat tiles and pressurized tanks were among the salvaged components, marking the first time significant hardware from a re-entry has been retrieved. This recovery provides invaluable data for refining Starship's design. Meanwhile, SpaceX has been busy testing and upgrading its launch infrastructure. At Pad B, the towering robotic arms underwent a series of checks, while construction on the flame trench continues. This clever engineering includes vacuum-insulated pipes to handle cryogenic fuel, drastically improving thermal performance. Back at the launch site, Pad B continues to take shape. SpaceX has been hard at work testing the site's massive robotic arms, which will play a pivotal role in catching and managing the Starship booster during recovery operations. The flame trench construction also marches forward with impressive engineering feats. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pad B is the use of vacuum-insulated pipes for cryogenic propellants. These advanced pipelines significantly reduce heat transfer, offering over 10 times better performance than traditional foam-insulated alternatives. Efficiently managing cryogenic fuels is a cornerstone of SpaceX's vision for rapid reuse, as it minimizes downtime between launches. Meanwhile, at SpaceX's production site, construction appears to be underway for a massive new facility, rumored to be the Giga Bay. Piles are being driven into the ground, laying the foundation for what could be the next phase in SpaceX's production evolution. The Giga Bay is expected to consolidate various manufacturing processes into one enormous structure, streamlining Starship production and boosting output. SpaceX recently posted a job listing for a structural engineer to work on this project, further fueling speculation. Although the job description was later edited to remove the term Giga Bay, the timing aligns with visible construction activities. Once operational, this facility could revolutionize SpaceX's assembly line, enabling faster turnaround times and higher production volumes. Imagine a future where Starship vehicles are rolling off the line like airplanes, ready to embark on missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Recently, a massive new pipe appeared at the production site, sparking widespread speculation. With its internal reinforcements and external ribs, this structure is believed to be a next-generation liquid oxygen header tank for the Starship booster. This design could address one of the key challenges from previous tests: propellant sloshing during hot staging maneuvers. A more stable propellant system would not only improve performance, but also enhance safety, especially as SpaceX transitions to more complex missions. These incremental advancements are a testament to SpaceX's iterative design philosophy, where every challenge is an opportunity for improvement. Additionally, Booster 16's aft section was recently completed, marking a potential end to the Block 1 booster series. This milestone signals SpaceX's readiness to move forward with Block 2 designs, which are expected to feature significant upgrades for efficiency, durability, and performance. While Texas remains the hub of Starship activity, operations are expanding to other sites. At Kennedy Space Center, construction of a new tent facility has raised questions about its purpose. This site, adjacent to Launch Complex 39A, appears focused on Falcon systems for now, but it's not hard to imagine Starship operations eventually extending here as well. The prospect of Starships launching from both Texas and Florida is thrilling. With 2 active sites, SpaceX could dramatically increase its launch cadence, supporting missions to low Earth orbit, the Moon, and eventually Mars. This dual-site approach also provides redundancy, ensuring that operations can continue even if one site experiences delays or setbacks. Looking ahead, it's clear that the space race is accelerating. Starship Flight 7, the construction of the Giga Bay, and groundbreaking missions like NASA's Dragonfly to Titan are all testaments to the rapid progress being made. But beyond the headlines, there's a bigger picture. A new era of space exploration is unfolding before our eyes. Reusable rockets, high-frequency launches, and interplanetary missions are no longer just visions of the future. They're becoming our reality. This transformation isn't just about technology. It's about what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream big and push boundaries. Every week, we're reminded of the incredible innovation happening in our skies and beyond. Whether it's SpaceX refining Starship, Rocket Lab achieving back-to-back launches, or NASA planning missions to distant worlds, one thing is certain: the golden age of space exploration is here. As always, we'll be here to guide you through every milestone, every discovery, and every leap forward. Because while the stars may be the limit for now, the journey to reach them is just beginning. Keep dreaming, keep watching, and keep exploring, because the best is yet to come. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.